News 8 Now's Jeremy Wall spoke to patients and employees who are hopeful the deal goes through. Jeremy.
Ken and Emily, Deanna Spears is a nurse who moved to Oakleaf because of Sacred Heart. Like all patients and staff, she's keeping a close eye on the proposal and crossing her fingers a resolution can be made. Deanna Spears isn't just an employee at Sacred Heart, she's also a patient. Although she's stressed not knowing where she'll be working or where she and her husband will go for doctor's visits, she's confident a deal will be made.
I know that they will try to do everything that they possibly can to help make this happen because they are about our community. And, it's just, it's like heartwarming, when you hear about a smaller company, trying to step up and do the right things and like all these people getting together. It just makes me a little emotional because you don't see everyone doing that.
The Independent Physician Association already serves patients in western Wisconsin. But time is ticking as Hospital Sisters Health System is still planning on closing in April.
It's a lot of anxiety. It's the unknown that makes you anxious because you don't know what's going to happen just yet, and everything's hearsay and up in the air.
Eau Claire resident and congressional candidate Eric Wilson has family who uses Hospital Sisters Health System.
It would be a good opportunity to continue and expand the healthcare services here. It could provide the opportunity to continue care. But I also know that there's going to be a transition period here as they would have to redo systems, redo kind of all of that information. And so it's not a quick fix, but I think it's a correct step in making sure that we don't have a huge gap in our healthcare system here in Eau Claire and in the surrounding area.
And Spears and her husband, who also used to work at Sacred Heart, moved from Florida to Wisconsin. When they were hired at Sacred Heart, they felt like they had family there because neither of them has family here. But she says it just felt like they were all relatives and part of the hospital. Ken and Emily?
All right, Jeremy.